Hi friends, this is your ANR sir, welcoming you to ANR Academy. Today in our usage grammar series, we learn about the connectors of reason or result. Today in our class, we learn about the connectors of reason and result. Friends, whenever we want to explain why something happens, we can use a clause of reason. You see, while writing or while communicating with others, at times we want to explain why something happened. In such cases, we use a clause of reason. Clear? So, these clauses of reason are introduced by a conjunction. A conjunction because, as, and since. Whenever we want to explain why something happened, we start the sentence, we start that clause with because, as, and since. Clear? For example, Susie joined the English Drama Club. Susie joined the English Drama Club. She wanted to improve her intonation. She wanted to improve her intonation. So in these two sentences, one sentence talks about the reason. One sentence talks about the reason. Why did Susie join the English Drama Club? Answer we get, she wanted to improve her intonation. So whenever we join these two sentences, we write like this. Susie joined the English Drama Club because she wanted to improve her intonation. Or Susie joined the English Drama Club as she wanted to improve her intonation. Or Susie joined the English Drama Club since she wanted to improve her intonation. So out of the given two sentences, you should check the clause which proposes the reason. So before that clause, you should write either of these three words. What are those three words? Because, as, since, anyone you should write. Clear? Same sentence can be written like this also. How? Because, or as, or since. Susie wanted, here Susie wanted to improve her intonation, comma, she joined the English Drama Club. Always remember, whenever you start the sentence with the clause of reason, you should keep a comma after that clause. Because, as, or since Susie wanted to improve her intonation, comma, she joined the English Drama Club. Clear? I think you understood how to introduce a clause of reason. Now let us learn how to introduce a clause of result. Clear? When we want to indicate the result of an action or situation, we can use a clause of result. A clause of result. class of result are introduced by a number of connectors are there. See, by what? So, by what? So, and so, as a result, consequently, for this reason, for that reason, thus, therefore. Any one of these connectors you can write whenever you want to introduce the result of an action or situation. Clear? Let us take the same sentence. Let us take the same sentence. What? Because, as, since Susie wanted to improve her intonation, she joined what? English Drama Club. Clear? So, like this, two sentences are given. Like this, two sentences are given. What are those two sentences? Susie wanted to improve her intonation. She joined the English Drama Club. Understood? So here, what is the result of joining? What is the result of Susie to improve her intonation? What is the result? She wanted to improve her intonation. What did she do for that? What did she do for that? What was the result? The result was she joined the English Drama Club. So what we do? Remove that full stop. Write so. And here in place of she, write small letter S. So Susie wanted to improve her intonation. So she joined the English Drama Club. Susie wanted to improve her intonation, and so she joined the English Drama Club. Susie wanted to improve her intonation. As a result, she joined all these, any one of these connectors. So, and so, as a result, consequently, for this reason, for that reason, thus, therefore, any one you can write. But always remember, these clauses you cannot interchange. Here, in previous case, you exchanged the places of the clauses like this. Susie joined the English Drama Club because or as or since she wanted to improve her intonation. And after that, what you did? You wrote this clause first. Because or as or since Susie wanted to improve her intonation, she joined the English Drama Club. Like this you interchanged. Whereas for this you cannot change. You cannot change. Clear? So this is a compound sentence. What our example just now we have taken, this is a what? Compound sentence. Susie wanted to improve her intonation. So she joined the English Drama Club. This is a compound sentence. Understood? So now let us learn how to join two sentences using the connectors given in the bracket. So this is your sentence. Paul was an hour late. He missed the train. Clear? Paul missed the train. What is the reason for this? Because Paul was an hour late. This is what? The reason for Paul missing the train. So, because you are asked to join these two sentences with because. Understood? I borrowed your lawnmower. You weren't using it. What is the reason for borrowing the neighbor's lawnmower? Because he was not using. Because he was not using. So, because and as can be interchanged. So, I borrowed your lawn mower as you weren't using it. Clear? So, the second sentence proposes the reason. Clear? Shall we go for another example? We had no electricity during the storm. We had to use candles. Clear? So, here you have to join these two sentences using so. Using what? So. So, you have to keep that so before the result. What is the result? We had to use candles. We had to use candles. Clear? Before that you have to use so. We had no electricity during the storm. So, we had to use candles. Clear? Shall we go for next sentence example? Yes. He needed a good mark. He studied hard for the test. For the reason for studying hard, he needed good mark. That is the reason. Why did he study hard? Why did he study hard? Very simple. He needed a good mark. So you have to keep since before the reason. Since he needed a good mark, comma, he studied hard for the test. Clear? So next sentence. It is raining. We have decided to stay at home. What is the reason to decide to stay at home? What is the reason to decide to stay at home? It is raining. So you should keep as before that it is raining. Clear? So, as it is raining, we have decided to stay at home. Clear? You have to keep that as before the reason. Same. Now two sentences are given. Tom won't be able to go with us to the theater. He has to work. So what is the reason for Tom not able to go to theater? Because he has to work. That is the reason. Because he has to work. That is the reason. So before he has to work, you have to keep that because. Tom won't be able to go with us to the theater. because he has to work. Clear? So shall we go for another sentence? Consequently. So before the result, you should keep this consequently. Before the result, you should keep this consequently. So what is the reason? What is the result of the windows kept open? The result is a lot of mosquitoes came into the room. Understood? What is the result of keeping all the windows open? A lot of what is the reason? What is the result? The result is a lot of mosquitoes came into the room. So before that, you should use consequently. Clear? You should keep that consequently. Clear? So now, what would be the answer? The windows were all open. The windows were all open. Consequently, a lot of mosquitoes came into the room. This is the what? Result of keeping the windows open. I think you understood today's lesson. What is today's lesson? How to introduce the connectors of result or reason. Clear? If you like my teaching, do not forget to subscribe to my channel General English all for competitive examinations. And tomorrow again I come up with a new lesson. Till then, have a nice day and thank you for watching.